This is the Jamal Adel FITUEYES mobile TV stand with 3 tiers AV shelf 432 to 65-inch LED flat screen TV. The TV stand has 4 wheels with brakes to move effortlessly from one place to another. A perfect choice for living room, office and conference rooms. Equipped with a unique steel bar that is very durable and high quality, this convenient TV stand can effortlessly hold your TV with utmost safety and stability. This is the website of FITUEYES where you can place an order and it's available in $106. The unboxing of the mobile TV card E-series has already been completed, but if you missed the video, you can find the link to the video on the iCard. I have already assembled a wooden base with 4 wheels and a large metal frame for the storage shelves. 4 wheels with brakes firmly mounted with screws and a sturdy metal frame. The adjustable TV panel with FITUEYES written on it, and it can easily adjust it in height, so you can easily choose the best viewing angle no matter where you are in your room. We can adjust the 2 TV mounts with the help of constructed strand. You can screw them tight and add side thickenings. It has 2 flexible shelves that can be easily adjusted to any position depending on the decoration and TV accessories. These shelves are very adjustable and also very easy to install. The uniquely designed brackets can be swiveled left to right to allow for spacious viewing, and they are easy to install with the LED, LCD or any flat screen TV. Finally, we have 2 locks for the mounts that you can attach with the LED screen and tighten with the screwdriver. This TV stand comes with a simple cable management system that allows you to easily organize and hide the wires and cables on the back of the stand to keep things neat and clean. The FITUEYES mobile TV stand comes with the easy to follow instruction and all the necessary accessories for quick and easy installation. It took no more than 30 minutes to install the TV stand with ease. The thick sturdy wooden base and its shelves provide plenty of space for TV accessories, and you can adjust the height of the shelves to suit your needs. I also love that you can move it from one place to another without any hassle. Don't forget you can find the FITUEYES website and Amazon website down below in the video description. If you're looking for camera and accessories videos, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and see you next time.